I'm Sarah. I work at PGE, and I'm also a customer. Join me on my journey into making my 1960s all-electric home more efficient and more attractive. It's an energy makeover. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the first things I did, an afternoon spent surfing online. I began looking for resources and found a lot of valuable information and tools on portlandgeneral.com and on the Energy Trust of Oregon's site. They help residential customers evaluate their home's current energy use and determine which energy improvements offer the most bang for the buck. After answering a few questions, I got a good snapshot of my home's current energy use, along with simple DIY steps and recommendations to reduce energy costs. I installed LED lighting, low-flow shower heads, and weather stripping around the exterior doors. Even using smart strips helped. One surprise was learning how much you can stop the drafts from old windows with off-the-shelf honeycomb blinds. They're also great heat blockers in the summer, so they're a less expensive first saving step if you can't afford new windows. In total, the energy-saving improvements the online evaluation recommended could trim my home's energy use by up to 47%. Go figure. Another cool thing they list on Energy Trust's website is what incentives are available to help offset the cost of the more expensive energy upgrades. They'll even help you find a qualified contractor, which I definitely needed. But that's a story for another video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other Energy Makeover videos for more information.